Hey guys, my name is Bjmp and my mention number is 2756. So currently I'm Century and today I will present the topic Industrial Revolution. The first revolution is from the middle of 17th century to the early 18th century. The first industrial revolution refers to the technological revolution launched from printing in the 18th century. It's a huge revolution in the history of technological development. It initiates the era of replacing manual labor with machines. This is not only a technological reform, but also a profound social transformation. In the period of 1760 to 1830, the Industrial Revolutions were largely confined to printing. Aware of the head start, the printers forbade the export of machinery, skilled workers, and manufacturing techniques. The printers' monopoly could not last forever, especially since some printers saw profitable industrial opportunities abroad, while continental European businessmen sought to lure printers' know-how to their country. Two Englishmen, William and John Cockerill, brought the Industrial Revolution to Belgium by developing a machine shop at Liege, and Belgium became the first country in continental Europe to be transformed economically. Like its previous progenitor, the Belgian Industrial Revolution centered in iron, coal, and textile. Time flies, and in a blink of an eye, we have arrived at the Second Industrial Revolution. The Second Industrial Revolution, which began in the middle of the 19th century, it was a period for pre-existing industry and expansions of new ones, such as steel, oil, and electricity field. The development of new technologies led to the introduction of two things that would change the world: public transport and planes. During the Second Industrial Revolution, the existing manufacturing and production methods were improved. For instance, steel replaced iron in the building business. It was strong and it was cheap, so it made it possible to build rail lines at competitive costs and spread transportation. Steel also facilitated the construction of ships, skyscrapers, and largest bridges. Unlike the first industrial revolution, which was mainly centered in printing, the second industrial revolution took place almost simultaneously in several advanced capitalist countries. The British, the Americans, the Germans, the French, and others have all invented and created in different fields. The steel-making technologies invented by Bessemer, Thomas, and other lived Europeans for a long time, but in the manufacture and improvement of the internal combustion engine, the generator, the electric motor, the automobile, the German contribution is the greatest. America inventing the electric lamp, the telephone, the Model T, the motion picture, the radio, and so on, of which they are proud. The French also invented artificial fibers, rubber ties, and so on. These are only the most representative technological achievements of each country. In fact, there are many inventions and technological progress that cannot be listed clearly one by one. Beginning in the 1950s, the Third Industrial Revolution brought semiconductor, mainframe computing, personal computing, and the Internet. We call it the Digital Revolution. Things that used to be analog to move to digital technology, lights and all television you used to turn in with an antenna being replaced by an internet-connected tablet that led to streamed movie. The move from analog to electronic and mechanical device to progressive digital technology dramatically dispute industry, especially global communication and energy. Electronics and information technology began to automate productions and tech supply chains global. The third industrial revolution is another great leap in the field of science and technology following the steam technology revolution and the electric technology revolution in the history of human civilizations, marked by the invention and applications of atomic energy, electronic computer, space technology, and biological engineering. The third industrial revolution not only greatly promoted economic, political, and cultural change in human society, but also affected the way of life and the way of thinking. With the continuous progress of science and technology, all aspects of human daily life, such as clothing, food, housing, transportation, and use, also underwent significant change. However, the third industrial revolution aggravates the imbalance of the development of capitalist countries. so that the international status of capitalist countries has undergone new change. Compared with the mass production mode of the Second Industrial Revolution, the production mode of the Third Industrial Revolution is mainly personalized manufacturing paradigm beyond mass customization. The first two industrial revolutions pursued low cost, standardized mass production, and the improvement of efficiencies was mainly reflected in realizing economies of scale as soon as possible. With the relative access of production, people differentiated and personalized needs are gradually enhanced, and the improvement of efficiency is gradually transformed into an efficient and low-cost ways to meet people's constantly changing and simultaneous personalized needs. With the emergence of intelligent software, new materials, intelligent robots, and 3D printing technology, the factory has gradually stepped out of the era of mass manufacturing and can produce great and personalized products at low cost. A technology based on visual manufacturing has begun to be used to personalize products, known as 3D printing. 3D printing eliminated the need for raw material and mold. According to the computer graphical data and software written directly, the product by using the method of increasing material gradually step-by-step print, like printer. Formed by superposition, cascade product, the mode of production material utilization rate is very high and can simplify the manufacturing process of product, shorten product development cycle, improve efficiency, reduce cost. Intelligent manufacturing helps people to free themselves from simple metal work and engage in more non-linear and innovative metal work. The so-called Industry 4.0 is a division based on different stages of industrial development. According to the consensus, Industry 1.0 is the age of steam engine, Industry 2.0 is the age of electrification, Industry 3.0 is the age of information, and Industry 4.0 is the age of using information technology to promote industrial change. That is the age of intelligence. The concept of Industry 4.0 includes the basis mode transformations from centralized control to decentralized and enhanced control, with the goal of establishing a highly flexible, personalized, and digital production mode of goods and services. In this model, traditional industry boundaries will disappear and new areas of activity and forms of cooperation will emerge. The process of creating new values is changing and the industrial change divisions of labor will be restructured. Industry 4.0 is divided into three main themes. One is Intelligent Factory, which focus on the realization of intelligent production system and process, as well as network distribution production facility. The second is intelligent productions, which mainly involve the production and logistics management of the whole enterprise, human-computer interactions, and the application of 3D technology in the industrial production process. The plans will pay special attention to attracting the participation of small and medium-sized enterprises with an aim to make them users and beneficiaries of the new generations of intelligent production technology, as well as creators and suppliers of advanced industrial production technology. The third is intelligent logistics, mainly through the Internet of Things, logistic network. Integration of logistic resources give fully play to the efficiencies of the existing logistic resource supply, while the demand side can quickly get service matching logistic support. So that's all for me. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your watching. See you next time. Bye.